Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out one of the most popular beginner-friendly drones that still packs premium features, the DJI Mini 3 with DJI RC controller. If you want cinematic aerial footage without carrying a heavy drone everywhere, this one is worth looking at. First, let's talk portability. The DJI Mini 3 is lightweight and compact, making it easier to travel with compared to larger drones. Because of its smaller size, many users prefer it for vacations, travel content, outdoor adventures, and social media videos. Now the camera setup. This drone shoots 4K video and uses a 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization system. What does that mean in real-world use? Smoother footage, reduced shaking, and more professional-looking videos even while moving or dealing with wind. Vertical shooting mode is also included, which is extremely useful for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts creators. Battery performance is another major advantage. DJI claims up to 38 minutes of flight time, which is impressive for a drone in this class. Longer flight times mean fewer battery swaps and more usable footage during outdoor sessions. The DJI RC controller deserves attention too. Having a dedicated controller with an integrated screen means you don't always need to connect your phone before flying. Setup becomes quicker and simpler, which many creators appreciate. Pause for a second though, this drone is not designed for heavy professional filmmaking. Strong winds can still affect smaller drones more than larger models. Also, obstacle avoidance features are more limited compared to higher-end DJI drones, so beginners should practice carefully. GPS auto return is extremely useful because if battery gets low or connection becomes weak, the drone can automatically return toward its takeoff point, which adds extra safety during flights. So who should buy this? Travel creators, beginner drone users, content creators, vloggers, and people wanting lightweight aerial footage equipment. Would I recommend it? Yes. For portability, image quality, ease of use, and creator-focused features, the DJI Mini 3 remains one of the strongest lightweight drone options in 2026.